Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how we can use Microsoft PowerPoint on our smartphone. If we are not having access to computer or laptop, then we can install Microsoft PowerPoint on our smartphone and we can do the same work like we do on computer or laptop. So let's continue with tutorial on Microsoft Word on our smartphone. For this purpose, you need to go to Google Play Store and you need to install Microsoft PowerPoint. So open Google Play Store and in search window type Microsoft PowerPoint. Now you can see it is showing Microsoft PowerPoint. Since I have already installed it, it is showing me option open. For new users or for those who are installing this Microsoft PowerPoint first time on their smartphone, they need to click on the install button and they need to install the application on their smartphone. After installing application, you will see this type of icon. You can see at top left corner PowerPoint icon is there. Now we will start how we can use PowerPoint on our smartphone. So I am clicking on this PowerPoint and it will get opened in my smartphone. Now you can see it is showing you have no recent presentations. Because I have installed this and I will show you how we can make presentations in this PowerPoint on our smartphone. To start with new presentation, you can see at top right corner plus symbol is there and that plus symbol is for creation of new presentation. Now I will click on this plus and you can see it is now asking create and different options are there. So if we want to create blank presentation, we can click on the blank option. Or if I can scroll down, you can see different themes are there which we can use for creating our PowerPoint presentation. So here I will select one of the theme and I will show you how we can start. So you can see this red color theme is there. So I will click on this theme and now it is opening in my smartphone. Now here you can see my slide is there. So this smartphone version of PowerPoint is the same which we use on computer or laptop. Now you can see it is asking double tap to add title. So I will just double tap and I will give title. So I am giving title e-content preparation. You can see my title is properly fixed in the slide. Again I will click here and I will give my name. So you can see how easy it is to prepare a slide in this smartphone version of Microsoft PowerPoint. Also the important feature is that we can zoom the slide or we can adjust it accordingly. Now suppose if you want to make change in font or font style, then here just need to click this circle and at bottom you can see font option is there. I will click on this font option and you can see my color is now changing. So I can change the color of font like we do in normal computer or laptop. Again, if I want to change my name color, I will just select and I can give color. So here you can see my presentation is now with different colors. So this is how we can edit our slide. If I want to make this bold, I can select and you can see the bold option is there at bottom. So I will click on bold. It is now getting bold. If italics, then I can click on I. For underline, U is there. So whatever the options available on computer or laptop, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, the same are available here in this smartphone version. Now suppose if I have done with this first slide and I want to add another slide, you can see at bottom right hand corner plus symbol is there. So I will just click on this plus and you can see next slide is there. Again I will double click here and I can add title. So I am now giving title Google Classroom. Again if I want to change the color, I can change color, I can change font, or I can do editing as per my choice. Again in this position if I double click, I can start whatever I want to write in this slide. So I will just write Google Classroom Management. Again suppose if I have finished and I want to have a new slide, so I can click here on this plus symbol. So this is how you can create Microsoft PowerPoint presentation on your smartphone. There is no need to have computer or laptop. Again, you can see layout options are there. I will click here on this button and you can see different options are available. Here currently we are on home tab, so I will click on this home and you can see different options are available. If I click on insert, now it is showing insert new slide, comment, table, pictures, video, audio. So whatever the options are there on computer and laptop PowerPoint, all the options are available in this smartphone version. If again I click on this insert, you can see now draw and design options are there. If I want to make changes in the design, I can click on design option. Here you can see different themes are also available. So if I click on the themes, you can see themes are available. So suppose I am clicking on this theme and you can see it is now applying and it is now changed. So this is how we can also apply different themes to our PowerPoint presentation. Now you can see next theme is there. If I want to format background, I can click on this background option also. Again, redo and undo options are also available. Here you can see redo button is there. If I don't want any change, I can redo it and now you can see it is the original slide. So this is how we can do or we can make PowerPoint presentation by using our smartphone. Again, if I want to have a slideshow, so first of all I will just arrange this properly, and suppose if I want to have a slideshow, I can directly click on this slideshow and I will click on from beginning. Now you can see my slideshow is starting in my smartphone. So if you are having smartphone and if you have installed Microsoft PowerPoint on your smartphone, then there is no need to have computer or laptop. So the simple way of preparing PowerPoint presentation, or in case if you are not having computer or laptop, then you can use smartphone for preparing your PowerPoint presentation. After creation of your presentation, you can share it directly by using share option, which is available at top right corner. You can see three dots are there. So if I click on that dots, I can share as a link, I can share as a full document, or if I want to share a particular slide, I can share as current slide also. Again, if I want to rename my presentation, you can see at top bottom presentation name is there. So I will just click on this presentation name and I can give new name to my presentation. So this is how the simplest way is to use Microsoft PowerPoint on our smartphone. There is no need to save your document or your presentation. Once you have finished, you just need to click this arrow available at left corner. The moment you click on arrow, your presentation will get automatically saved in your smartphone. Now you can see my presentation is closing and it will be saved in my smartphone. So there is no need to save like we save our presentation on clicking save option on computer or laptop. In this smartphone version, you can save your presentation automatically. There is no saving option or control S option is there. Now it is taking little bit time, but it will saved in my smartphone. So this is how we can use Microsoft PowerPoint presentation on our smartphone to create slideshow. Now you can see my presentation is now saved. Now I will again, if I want to open, I will just need to click on this presentation. Now you can see it is opening my presentation. If I want to make changes, I can click on this pencil button and I can make changes also. Again, if I have finished, I can just click on this left side tick mark option and this arrow, and my PowerPoint presentation will again saved in my smartphone. So in this way we can use our smartphone and we can download PowerPoint or Microsoft PowerPoint from Play Store and we can create or prepare our presentation. If we don't have laptop or a computer, then there is no need to worry because we can create PowerPoint presentation on our smartphone. Thank you.